This video is about deploying portfolio website in Cloudflare with a custom domain. First, we will create repository and push code. Second, we will add domain to Cloudflare. Third, we will deploy website in Cloudflare with custom domain. Fourth, we will update website. Finally, we will secure website with SSL TLS certificate. Open your GitHub account. Create a new repository. Give a name. Add the description. You can keep your repository private. Add README. I'm selecting MIT license here. Proceed with Create Repository. Repo is created. Click Code. Copy the SSH URL to clone the repository. Open your terminal. Clone the repository. Add the content of your website. Add to staging. Check the status. Then make a commit. Push it to the GitHub. Once pushed, you can see the content in the GitHub. I have registered a free domain from register.com.np. I have one active domain. Let me copy it. Log into Cloudflare, click Domains, Overview, and the right click Add Domain. Proceed with Connect a domain. Paste the domain. Proceed with Continue. Select the free plan. Proceed with Continue to activation. Click Check Name Servers now. It can take a couple of hours to get the name servers. After some hours, you can see the name servers in the settings inside DNS. To update name servers, open this page again. Click Edit DNS. Update the name servers. Once updated, you must see this message. Go to Cloudflare. Make a quick search for pages. Select Workers and Pages. Proceed with Create Application. Select Continue with GitHub. Click Add GitHub Account. Select Account. Scroll down. Choose your repository. Then save it. Selecting the repository, proceed with Next. Here give a project name, build command if any, keep deploy command as it is, proceed with deploy. The build is initializing now. This clones the repository, installs tools and dependencies if any, build application and deploy to Cloudflare's global network. You can view the logs as well. After build is successful, click the domains. You can see the worker URL and preview URLs. In the top right corner, there is a visit button. Click it. Our website is live, but we want to add a custom domain. Click Add Domain. Select the domain. Leave this blank. Proceed with Add Domain. Custom domain is added successfully. You can now disable worker URL and preview URLs, so we can access the website only with custom domain. This is our live website. Let's make a change. I'm updating the CSS to make background color red. Add to staging. Check the status. Make a commit. Then push to GitHub. In a while, press Ctrl+R to reload. You can see the updated version of your website. Open your domain in Cloudflare. You can see a message. Your domain is now protected by Cloudflare. Go to SSL TLS section. Configure the SSL TLS encryption mode to full or strict to secure your website. Cloudflare provides SSL TLS certificate for your domain even with a free plan. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to this channel.